Hi, my name's Terry and welcome to another video. Over the next few minutes I'm going to explain to you how you can build yourself a passive income stream from low content and no content books. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the little bell icon notification so that you are notified when I release any new videos. Okay, so first of all, what is a passive income stream and what are low content and no content books? Well, a passive income stream is where you build yourself an income with, say, an hour's worth of work, and then you're paid for this work over time, and it's passive. So you could be earning money whilst you're in another job, whilst you're asleep, whilst you're sat on a beach. This is income that's passive. And how is this possible? This is possible from Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is where you publish a paperback book, and here on the screen I have some examples. There's a scuba diving log here, blank sheet music notebook, a workout logbook, a collector's book, and a composition notebook. So if I talk about the composition notebook, first of all, this is where a cover's been produced, and then inside of the book it has just lined paper. So this is pretty much a no content book. Also I have planners here. This is a planner, and this is a low content book. So again, the cover's been produced, but internally it has just simple planning pages for 365 days of the year in this case. Also you can see there's a Coke collector's login book and a pet logbook there too. So let's go over to Amazon and take a look at a few of these books. So here we are on Amazon. Here we have a recipe book. It's quite a simple design, a pink cover with my recipe notebook, and we can take a look inside here. So like I say, it's got a pink cover with flowers on, and it says on the front cover, my recipe notebook. It's as simple as that. And then inside you'll see it has a recipe page, which is a low content book, and as I travel through the book you'll see these pages repeat all the way through the book to the back of the book. Again, here's another example. If I go to this planner, so this is an example again of a low content book. You can take a quick look inside. It has a simple cover. A goal without a plan is just a wish. And then if I zoom inside, on each page, 2 pages cover a week, and this is a simple low content planner book. Finally, we'll take a look at another book. Again, this is a book on Amazon. This is an easy to use blank sheet music notebook. So if we look inside of this book, again it's had a cover made, and inside it's virtually no content. There's as I'm saying, it's not like a book that you have to write a book. Once you've designed the cover, you can then just put these template internals. So it's as simple as that. These books are easy to make. You just make yourself a cover and then use a basic template for the internals. This can be, as I've said, lined paper, a journal, a logbook of some sort, notebooks with sheet music and the like. So there we have it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and also to turn on the bell notification icon, and that way you'll be notified of any new videos that I produce. And I plan to produce more videos explaining about the free software that you can use to create your book covers, and also there are templates, free templates to upload for the content of your books. So this passive income is totally free of charge to set up. There's plenty of free software to use to enable you to produce your covers and the internals. Also, it's totally free on Amazon. As I've said, once the book's produced by Amazon, it's then printed on demand, delivered to the customer at no cost to you. Amazon then pay you at the end of each month with the royalties due. You should now see on the end title of this video 2 links to 2 different videos. One is for some software for the internals and producing the templates for covers, and there'll be a second video also for Canva, which is a free software that I use to create all my covers. So my name's Terry, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos in this series.